there had ever been a time for corporate prayer among the mishpacha of Yasharal. Now is that time. Lift up your voices. Cry out unto Yahuah, O beloved Yasharal. From the four corners of the Erats, let your petition be heard for the nation, for our children, and our children's children. War is upon us, and the fulfillment of prophecy is fast approaching.
Now is the time to pray. Now is the time to seek your face. We cry out, Yah, hear your people today.
Yahusha said, these days would be shortened for the sake of the elect, but we must remain steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the works of Yahuah. For only those who keep the commandments and carry the testimony of Yahushua HaMashiach shall enter the kingdom.
Now is the time to pray. Fall on our face before you. Fall on our face before you, yeah. We won't stop crying out till your power comes down.
Lay prostrate day and night.
No cease, no.
We wrestle not against flesh and blood.
Principalities
Move the leaven from our hearts.
purify us, yeah.
If my people called by my
name, then I will hear, forgive,
and
heal the land, turn us back to you.
Tashuba, Tashuba,
Turn us back to you.
turn us back to you.
Our Father, who is in the Shamayim, let your name be Kodesh. Let your reign come. Let your desire be done, on earth as it is in the Shamayim. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us as we forgive. Deliver us from the wicked one.
Amen. Is the time.
I thank Eloheinu always when I remember you in my prayers. May the Elohim of endurance and encouragement cause us to be of one mind and one voice, glorifying Yahuah through Yahushua HaMashiach. Shalom.